What's up, guys? So today we're gonna give you guys an update on my buddy's Jeep. This is a video on that you can run 35-inch tires without a lift on a JK and the TJ. TJ is a little more difficult to run 35s without a lift than the JK. So we'll start. He bought some 35s. These are 17-inch wheels. These are the BF Goodrich KO2s, and I really like them. Really nice looking tire. It's got a really cool tread pattern. This sidewall is real aggressive. It's kind of similar to the MTR sidewall. You know, it's got that same aggressive look, which is really cool. So basically, to fit 35s without lifting it, he just cut the stock fenders. He cut them off, and then did this. What is this? You bought this at like AutoZone, you said, right? You bought this at AutoZone, and it's like an edge trim that, you know, some people put on like the doors here, that when you open the door it doesn't door ding other people or whatever. So he put that on. He's gonna bed line it to kind of match a little bit better later once it's warm out. There it is in the rear. The only thing that maybe he would want to do is maybe clean up that pinch weld and kind of maybe cut it back a little bit just in case. But for street driving, completely fine. He's been driving around fine. And this is it's the 3.8 liter, so it's a 2010 Jeep Wrangler, and it's got the 3.8. It's an automatic, and it's got the 373 gears. And he's been driving it for, you know, a couple hours now, and you haven't noticed any problems, right?
No, and like I said earlier, even going like 70 miles per hour, I was only turning, you know, 1,500 RPM.
15, that's awesome. And it wasn't shifting goofy and everything. We'll take it for a ride so we can show you guys. But as you know, most people on the internet say you can't drive it with stock gearing and everything like that. So we'll take it for a spin. But yeah, so he did the rears as well. He cut the rears, which looked real nice. But and then you guys saw in the other videos we did different taillights for him too. Eventually he's going to do a different bumper and tire carrier, and same with the front. But this is the stage it's at now. So I kind of wanted to show you guys an update. But I think it looks really nice. Looks really nice without a lift and some bigger tires. So looks good. All right, so let's go take it for a spin, and I'll let you guys know how it drives. All right, guys, so we're just gonna go for a drive, just to kind of give you guys an idea of how this thing drives with 35s and the automatic and stock gears as well. Do a little bit, we'll straighten it out, and I'll just floor it so you guys can get a feel for how it does. And then there's 50. So this thing wasn't super fast before, but honestly, I don't know. I don't see the big issue that a lot of people have with the stock gearing and an automatic with 35s. And right now I'm cruising at, get up to 40. Right now we're cruising at 50 miles an hour, turning like 1,200 RPM. So yeah. So I would imagine if you had a manual, it would probably have a little bit more pep, but really nothing. I mean, just tooling around town, like no big deal. You know, maybe those guys that say you need to re-gear are, you know, doing rock crawling, and then in that case I would say, yeah, maybe you should re-gear. If you're doing crazy rock crawling, you need that, you know, as much torque, you know, at the low end as you possibly need. But for driving around, maybe do some light trail riding, I don't see this being a problem at all. So alrighty, guys, so that's just a short little video on my buddy's Jeep on 35s. If you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. And I'll see you guys in the next video. We're recording live.
We'll do live. We'll do live.
We're putting that in.
It doesn't look retarded.
I know, right?